layer.
Okay.
Tutorial, PDU Information. This tutorial will cover the PDU Information and Challenge Mode features. Click on the Simulation tab to switch to the simulation mode. Click on the Capture Forward button. Click on the packet on the workspace to access the PDU Information window. The OSI Model tab shows how the current device processes the packet at each layer of the OSI model. It also shows the packet's source and destination devices. The incoming layers show how the device processes an incoming or buffered packet. The outgoing layers show the device's decisions when sending out a packet to one or multiple ports. This window displays information about the layer processes. To view information about other layers, you can directly click on the layer, or use the Next Layer and Previous Layer buttons. Click here to view the inbound PDU details. The Inbound PDU Details tab shows the PDU's headers broken up into header type and the individual fields. Click here to view the Outbound PDU details. The Outbound PDU Details tab shows similar information for outgoing packets. However, it only applies if the device has a PDU to be sent. Return to the OSI Model tab to access Challenge Mode. Click this button to activate Challenge Mode. The challenge question shown will always refer to the highlighted protocol layer. This is Layer 1. Click one of the radio buttons to select an answer. Select the Next Layer button to check the answer. If the selected answer is incorrect, the text will turn red. Click the Hint button for help with answering a question. Hints will be displayed in this window. Click on the Hint button again to turn it off. Mouse over hints are also available for choices in each question. After carefully reading the hints, you can select another answer. When all the questions have been answered correctly, a message will appear saying that the challenge has been successfully completed. Close the PDU Information window. Click on Capture Forward again and view PDU information on another device. The PDU information window can also be accessed by clicking on Packets from the event list. Challenge mode will stay on until it is turned off. Click on this button to turn off challenge mode. This ends the PDU information tutorial.